What's your rating? Hi guys, so breakfast has been had. Now as you can see, nakapag-shower na ako and I am heading out to meet my family sa spa place. I booked the spa for my family, my mom and my dad. So we're just gonna be there and have a massage. And yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit. So for my outfit, I just have my American Eagle pants. This is from Mango, and then I have my Lululemon. I have to cut this off, but I'm thinking to wear this like, wait lang, using ko muna siya. So I think I'm gonna wear it like this. It's like a sling bag. I don't know if it works, but yeah, this is how I want to bring it. I don't know if it works. I don't know if should I like tighten it a little bit, but yeah, just to have like a bag. I know it doesn't go with my top because it's black, but this will go with my shoes, which I'll show later. But before that, I'm just going to put some lotion, which is a gift sa akin ng mom and dad ko. This is Victoria's Secret body lotion. I don't know, pomegranate and lotus balance. I don't know, but that's that. And I'm excited for the massage, so come with me, guys. Also, side note, ngayon ko lang na-try itong Victoria's Secret. It smells so nice. Oops, may pa pala. I just put some on my neck. Hindi na rin pala ako mag-makeup and I won't do anything to my hair. Other than I need to like probably brush it because magpapamassage na kami, so I'm not gonna put any makeup on. Probably just a mist maybe. Doesn't hurt anyone to like put a mist on. Maybe just that. Maybe just some, I don't know. Anyways, I need to go. It is 11:42 a.m. I need to be there by 12. So I need to go. I'm really rushing. Okay, I've decided I'm not gonna brush my hair. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I'm just gonna bring probably comb para pagdating doon ko na lang suklayin. I don't know. My instinct tells me to not comb my hair right now, so I'm not gonna. I think my hair looks good regardless if I comb it or not because it's at the length where it can like sit like it as it is and it's perfect. So I'm just gonna roll with this hair. Also essential when you're going out, you need to get one of these because this will save you with the heat that there is in Philippines. Can you see kung gaano ka blue sky out there? Look at the blue sky. It's cute, but it's definitely hot outside, so I'm gonna be needing this. So I'm gonna bring it. Here, my family are still on their way, but yeah, I'm excited.
Ayan na, God bless. Tanaw ko sa iyo mo, good morning. Ay, good afternoon na po pala. Ano oras mo talaga? Hindi naman normal. Anong avail naman?
It does. Thank you po. Ito na. Rice.
ka lang. Talagang yung lang.
Babayaran mo pa rin kasi.
Are you okay? What's first? TV strawberry?
Oh!
This is the second one. How would you rate it?
Sparkling mogo.
I don't know.
Sparkling mogo. Smell.
This is strawberry. 6 out of 10.
Taste, 7. Overall, 7.
7? Okay, ito naman. Ito na yung favorite ni Daddy.
Ito kanya, dalawa.
Hindi, 10 mark. Pero hindi ko sa kanila. Na, nagsusunod nila.
Amoy ka pala.
Ano naman to? Oh. This tastes more like a medicine. Ano sa mga yelo?
Sparkling ice is nice.
BRB. Okay. Ito na. Strawberry watermelon. Siyempre may strawberry naman. So, bagay na pa. Hindi pa lang siya. Hindi, pinag ka lang din. Ano siya? Siyempre kami siya ito. Kasi zero sugar.
Uy, ang sarap.
Uy.
Sorry about that. Kami pala.
Bakit hindi ba siya? Ito na natin.
Last one.
Ikaw mo.
Busy man boy. Ay, nectarine.
I thought this is watermelon.
What?
Ito na tayo.
Bakit ka pala?
Ito na ulit. Ito. Hindi na tayo masama-sama.
Mm.
No.
Ito.
Okay, how do you rate this?
Ito ay, lahat lang ba? Please, ito ay 8 over 10. Ito ay 10 over 10.
Oh, really? Okay, ito.
8.
Ito ang gusto ko eh.
Ako ito.
Oh, ano naman.
Ay, ito ba?
Okay.
Nice.